Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to convert text to curves in Affinity Designer 2. So let's get started. For example, let's add text. Just click on this tool. Now edit. Let's type something. Okay, and here is our text. You can transform it if you want. And now to convert this text to curves, you need to right click on it, okay, and in the list just find the convert to curves option right here, or you can use the control plus return shortcut, or just click on it. Okay, and you can see that the text has been converted to curves, and also on the right side it's indicated as curves. You can see it right here. So hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your like under this video. Thank you, goodbye.